Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall be discussing undo and redo effect in Microsoft Publisher. Undo and redo effect in Microsoft Publisher. Before we continue, make sure on your computer you have if you want to practice this, you want to perform this practical, this action, make sure on your own side you have your in front of a PC or laptop to perform this action. Now make sure you open Microsoft Publisher and let's get started. Now let's define undo and redo effect. The undo effect is used to reverse actions in Microsoft Publisher. This is similar to same effects done in literally every operations in computer, like to you're on internet, you type something on the um, address bar, you delete it, you want to bring it back, same thing. You just have to use shortcut menu to do that on your keyboard, which in this tutorial I will be showing you the shortcut menu for undoing and redoing effect. While the redo effect is used to redo what was done before. You see, to redo what was done, like if you you deleted something, it will redo that action that was done before. So if you undo an action, you can redo the action. You can undo and redo and undo and redo. So this is how it works. So how can you locate the undo and the redo effect, the undo and redo tools in Microsoft Publisher? So this undo and redo tools is located in the home tab menu. The home tab menu. This is the home tab menu, as you have so many other menus, like you have that, you have that. Once you're in there, if you want to go to use the undo and the redo tool, you just click the home tab menu and you have this undo and redo tool on the left side in undo group. This is it. It is located under the file tab menu. Undo and redo, undo and redo, undo and redo. Now let's try a practice. Let's practicalize on these tools. Now, for example, I want to undo an action. I want to undo an action. Now, to undo an action, I need to have performed something. Now, what I want to perform is to delete this, to remove this text box. I want to remove this text box. I don't want it again. Now, I want to remove it. Once I removed it, the undo tool is activated for me to undo. So now if I click on the undo tool, I go to the undo tool and I click on it, it brings back the toolbox. And once I bring back the toolbox, the redo tool, which is under the undo tool, is activated for me to redo what was done, what was deleted previously, previous action, to redo an action. So once I click the redo tool, the action is done again. So I can undo and these two keep going on and off. It's keep the other one activate, the other one activate, the other one activate, the other one activate. Now, if you notice that we have arrows beside these tools. Now you may be wondering, what is this arrow there for? Now these arrows are there to list items, to list actions that can be redone, actions that can be redone. Now let's say, for example, let's try using this practice. Now I'm going to delete I'm going to perform two actions. I'm going to delete two text boxes. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to insert another text box here. And now let's see. Now, oh, I want to bring back everything back to normal. So what I just have to do, I click on the home tab and I go to the undo area. I click on the list there. As you can see on the arrow there, as you can see, it says listed in the shortcut menu. It has listed 3 actions that was done. So now I want to undo everything to go to the main actions, to the main event, to the main content that I had. Now, when I click that, everything comes back. As you can see, the redo effect is activated. Now, when I open that, everything is back again. When I click that, it goes back to the normal state, which I had it before, which I had before I undone item. Now the undo tool is activated. Now let's say I want to undo 2 items. When I click that, that is back, but text box is not back, which makes the redo one to be activated because I've undone 2 actions. You can see there. Now when I click back, the item is deleted, the text box is gone, and the new text box is in. But I want to bring it back to the main state, to the main view as the main thing I had before. And I click that, everything is back. Now this action, this thing can be done in every applications on the in computer. Actually, literally every applications you have on automatically is there. Undo and redo. Now you may be asking, what is the shortcut of undoing and redoing? Now for me to do this, I'm going to display the on-screen keyboard so we can view the shortcut for this. Now, this is on-screen keyboard. Now let's say I want to redo the actions that I've done before. To redo the action is, as you can see, if you go there, it says, if you place your mouse on the redo tool there, it says Control Y. So now to do this is to press down your control button on your keyboard, right, and type Y. See, our item is redone. Now I want to also remove this and also bring the text box. I just have to press the control button and Y. This is removed, and I want to bring the text box. I also have to press the control button to see there to redo. Control and Y. Now if I want to undo every actions, I want to undo the actions and bring them back after the order and bring them back. What I just have to do is I'll place my mouse there so we can see the shortcuts tool. The shortcut tool there says Ctrl Z. So I just have to press on the control button and just press and hold down your control button and type Z. One, I want to bring back the other one. Press and hold down your control button and type Z. The the big text box is in. I want to bring back the other text box. I just have to press down the control button and type text and type Z, and our text box is back. So that's how to use the control. This is how to use the undo and the redo. That's how to use the undo and the redo tool in Microsoft Publisher, and that's how you have the shortcut key as well to undo and redo in Microsoft Publisher. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.